Hey guys, it is Trina Jacobson from Diamonds and Dust, and today I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous safari split tumbler. If you try any of my designs, make sure you tag Diamonds and Dust on all social media platforms. Check out my free Facebook group down below where I give out more tips and tricks, and let's get started. We are going to start off by using a 24 plump from the Tipsy Magnolia. Check the description down below for a discount code. These are the best tumblers on the market and your customers will notice the difference, I promise. Then I'm just going to take and make a vertical line going up my tumbler using a dry erase marker and a ruler. I have already cut my template out on a double-sided sticky sheet, and I'm also going to cut a rectangle in white vinyl that will fit around my tumbler. We're going to apply the white vinyl to our tumbler first, and we're just going to go really slow but with firm and even pressure, making sure we don't have any wrinkles or bubbles. Now we are just going to apply the template right over the tumbler that has the vinyl on it, and how I do that is I just take the backing and fold back about half an inch to an inch. Then I will apply it to my tumbler, making sure that the template lines up perfectly. If it does, we're just going to push that on really firmly, releasing the backing. Now we're going to start removing the cheetah print cover sheet on the sticky tape, and then we are going to take a dry brush. It can just be a paintbrush or a blush brush, whatever you have on hand, and we're going to take some black mica powder, and we're just going to rub that in until you get full coverage of that black mica powder. And we're going to go to the other side of our tumbler, and we're going to remove the cover sheet on the zebra print. We're going to go in with that same mica powder and brush and just burnish that black mica powder in the zebra as well. We're going to go back and remove the cover sheet around the cheetah print now, and then we're going to be using one of my glitters called the Hive. If you guys haven't tried my glitter yet, you are missing out. I carry that premium polyester glitter that you love that is super soft with that high sparkle for a fraction of the cost. So stop overpaying for those glitters. It's not necessary. We're going to take that, we're going to sprinkle all over that side with the cheetah print, and we're going to lightly push this in without burnishing it too flat. If you burnish it too flat, you lose a lot of the sparkle of the glitter. Once that cheetah side is all covered with your glitter, you're going to go back over to your zebra side, and we're going to use the same glitter called the Hive, doing the same thing. Remove that cover sheet and then sprinkle on the glitter and just lightly push it in. Go ahead and grab 4 of your favorite glitter colors. We're going to use Dark Heart, Flannel, Champagne, and Baby Rose. These are also from my shop, so make sure you check those out. And we're going to remove those kind of bent squiggles on each side where you want each color. We're going to apply each color one at a time, doing the same thing where we're kind of rubbing it in to make sure it's stuck to the sticky tape, but it's actually not being burnished. This is one of my templates, and if you love templates, you are going to love my mentorship group. You get a new template every single month. You also get a really nice discount on all the supplies that I offer, and I do more exclusive content over there. I will have a link down in the description if you want to check that out. Once you get all of your glitter applied, you're going to spray seal this tumbler really well. I like Rust-Oleum or Krylon's Triple Thick if I'm a little bit of a hurry. If I'm not in a hurry, my ultimate way is Tumbler Epoxy's Epoxy Seal. I just water it down a little bit and give it a little bit more of a runny consistency, and it is like magic, better than any sealer on the market. So if you want something good, make sure you get some Tumbler Epoxy Seal. And if you want me to show you how I use it to seal my glitter so not even one speck will ever move, leave a comment down in the comment section. This template in particular does not come with offset lines, but if you would like to create your own, it's really simple. I just select the whole image in my silhouette program and create an offset. And then I just weeded all of this gold out, and I'm going to show you the easiest way how to apply it. Don't try to apply the whole template at the whole time. You'll never get it to line up right, and you will just be so frustrated. So what I found was best is just take a small section of the cheetah print outlines by itself, and then you would do the same thing with the zebra, and then I just picked off the lines and placed them on by hand. If you chose to create an offset and you have those all applied to your tumbler, go ahead and add epoxy until smooth. And here is our tumbler all complete. I can just see so many different color combinations that will make this design so beautiful. If you liked this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and look for me on all other social media platforms and give me a follow under Diamonds and Dust.